Canva can be used as an end-to-end video editing tool. Let's discover how to make a video project move with animations, stickers, and GIFs. The easiest way to apply a little motion magic to your whole project is with page animations. Click the editor background to ensure nothing is selected, then the Animate button in the toolbar. Explore animations and choose a style. This will animate all elements in your design with one click. Looking for more control? Animate elements independently from each other. Select any element, then animate. With Canva Pro, you can unlock even more animation styles. Now let's try text animations. Select a text box, then animate. At any point, switch back to page animations here. Another way to add movement to designs is with animated stickers. Search for stickers within the Elements tab. Then click Graphics. Find similar stickers that match by clicking the ellipsis button, then see more like this. Did you know Giphy is integrated right into the Canva editor? Find it in the More tab. Search the entire Giphy library to find that perfect GIF. Jump into Canva and play with our library to get your video projects moving.